In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Temu. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which sign-in option makes the most sense for you, all while keeping things simple and secure. First, open your preferred web browser and go to temu.com. Type the address directly into the address bar and double-check that you see the secure lock icon and the correct domain before proceeding. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your account safe. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Sign In/Register button. On smaller screens, you may need to open the menu first, but the option will still be at the top right area. Click Sign In, Register to bring up the sign-in window. Here, you'll see a few ways to access your account. You can continue with email, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. All of these routes get you to the same place. The best choice is simply the one you use most often and feel most comfortable with. If you choose to continue with email, you'll typically be asked for your email address and your password, or you may be sent a one-time code for verification. This is a straightforward option if you prefer to keep your Temu login separate from other accounts. For added convenience, consider using a password manager and always avoid reusing passwords across different sites. If you pick Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, you'll authenticate through that provider. Your browser may open a small window asking you to confirm which account to use and to grant permission. This method is quick if you're already signed in to one of those accounts on your device, and it reduces the number of passwords you have to remember. After reviewing the choices, simply click the login method you prefer. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear, such as confirming your identity or approving the connection. If you're new to Temu, selecting one of these options may also complete a quick registration as part of the process, which is why the button says Sign In/Register. Once you're signed in, you should land on your account area where you can view your profile, browse products, or check your orders. If something doesn't load right away, refresh the page or ensure your internet connection is stable. And as a quick security reminder, avoid staying signed in on shared devices and always log out when you're finished. That's all there is to it. Head to temu.com, click Sign In, Register, choose email, Google, Facebook,